Okay, what I have here is a Mitsubishi MS-11v video cassette recorder. It's been stored for a very long time. I ended up pulling out the mechanism sort of underneath the circuit board and replacing the rubber bands, which had completely perished. So that's all back together now, and I've tried various things to get this to work. It takes a tape. The tape goes in. Most of the time it will wrap around the head as it's supposed to, and I'll show you a close-up in a minute. And but it will not fast forward, rewind or play. It will show it fast forward, rewinding and playing on the digital display on the front of the video, but the actual the mechanism doesn't seem to work in there. I don't know what's causing the problem. So I'll just go over the video a little bit. Just going to try and adjust this. So the head spins, everything like that, no problem. The tape goes in and it comes out most of the time. It's obviously seized up a bit because it was stored for years and not used. This is the VCR. I think there's another model that looks very much like this, and I've seen it on YouTube where technicians have sort of shown you how to clean and fix them up. So I'm going to set up the tripod again, and we'll put a tape in it and see how it goes. So just so you know, the video cassette, it turns and everything. Once I press the little lock in on the bottom there and twist the knobs, and it will rewind and fast forward. I don't think there's anything wrong with the tape, but when I put it in, I'll turn the power on first. I put the tape in. You can see the head spins. But nothing happens. So if I hit play, just the head spins. But you'll see, you get a deeper dive into the internals there. Nothing turns. I'll try it again. Hitting play. See, the head spins like crazy. Most of the time the tape will wrap around the head as it's supposed to. Now I'm going to try and fast forward. See, the tape almost moved in there. Head still spins. I'm going to try and rewind now. Every action seems to affect the head. It spins, does what it wants. I'll try and eject it again, and we'll put it back in to see if it does anything. Okay. Tape out. Put it back in again. Still nothing. See, it turned a little bit then, and then it spat itself back out again. I'm going to try that again. Nope. So I've got to push it in really gently for it to stay in there. Once it takes up, I let it go in. Yeah. I'll try hitting play. Yeah, nothing. All the connectors seem to be on. When I pulled out the mechanism, it's connected down there on the circuit board. Screws are in. Look, I don't know that much about VCRs, but I'm trying to fix this. If anyone's got any clue on how to fix it, I'd really appreciate some tips here. I'll try that again. I'll fast forward. Display looks good, but that's about it. sorry if this is not very clear. I'm not that good with these cameras. I'm going to hit power off and power on again. Power on. Yeah, this same thing. I'm going to cut it there. Again, if you've got any tips, you can tell me what might be going wrong with this. It'll give me a new area to look at. I'll just keep persevering until I can fix it. Thanks very much.